In this video, I'm going to show you how to add due dates to tasks in Notion. Let's get started. After successfully logging in into your Notion account and being able to access the homepage, what you want to do is you want to go to the specific page in which you want to add a due date to. Either under private or team spaces, you want to go to the specific page. Now I actually have a few tasks in here that are actually not organized, but I want to add a due date for each and every task so that it would look organized. And to do that, what you want to do is on the very right hand side or wherever you want it to be, you want to add a property for a date. And to do that, let's say I want to add a due date in here. Let's say this isn't counted. And to do that, you want to go to the very right hand side, and then you will see a plus button to add a property. Just click on that, and then you will see an option for a date. Simply click on date, and then what you can do here is you can actually move this to the very start, just so that they could easily see that the due date is within a specific date. Now, within the date section, we could actually add a due date by clicking on the blank space in here. Let's say I want to add a date, and the date would be the 22nd. If I just hover down, it will actually be shown in here. We could also send an end date. We could add the specific days in which we want to set a due date to. So let's say from the 22nd, I want this done by the 25th, and it will actually select that. We could also change the date format by adding a short date instead, or the month, day, or year, depending on the format, or a relative date. But let's say I just want to add a short date. And then we could also include the time for the deadline, let's say in 12 hours. And then you can also change the time zone, which would fit each person. And you can also set a reminder and set the reminder for about 5 minutes before the deadline, or what you could also do is an hour before the deadline to be sure. As you can see, there will be a due date option in here. And that's about it. That's how to add due dates to tasks in Notion. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.